Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. Today is our lecture 2 on the same topic, the lion's friend. Okay, before start today's class, I want a brief discussion on previous class. Like how many characters we have? Yes, a lion and a little mouse. And what we have read so far? Yes, a lion who was sleeping under a tree and a mouse who was playing nearby. Mouse suddenly jumped into lion and lion woke up and got very angry and threatening the mouse to kill. Mouse said sorry and promised never disturb him again. Then lion let him go and and mouse became happy and requested him to be friend, but the lion refused his friendship. Okay, now what happened then? Then after a few days, lion fell into trap of some hunters. He was afraid of going to the zoo cage. Suddenly, the mouse came to the lion and assured him to help him. After a few minutes, mouse came with some other mice and beat the ropes with their sharp teeth and made a big hole. Then the lion came out and left the place. Lion became happy, thanked the mouse, and also he accepted the friendship. So this is the story, The Lion's Friend. Hope you enjoyed. Now students, read the story very carefully and do the exercise below. Thank you.